Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Grand Caravan key fob. It's a simple process that can save you time and money. You'll need just two things: a new CR2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This quick guide will help you get your key fob working like new in about 5 minutes, ensuring reliable performance for your vehicle. First, locate the small release tab on the side of your key fob. Slide this tab and pull out the emergency metal key, setting it aside safely. Next, insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the emergency key was. Carefully twist the screwdriver to gently separate the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will clearly see the old coin battery. Gently pry it out using your fingernail or the small flathead screwdriver, being very careful not to damage the metal electrical contacts. Take your new CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the holder. Ensure the positive side, which usually has the writing, faces down into the fob for proper function. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them click and snap securely into place all around the edges, ensuring a tight seal. Finally, slide the emergency metal key back into its slot until it clicks. Test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Grand Caravan to confirm it's working correctly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.